These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we'll be trying to take a couple of beautiful trades, but the difference is that today the market is not quite nice. I've been checking the market, checking the pairs. You know, the setups are not very well respected today. Look at this beautiful doji break, didn't respect, and then broke the from downside, didn't respect. This was also a third touch breakout. And I think this is I'm pretty sure that this is not a good market to trade on. And right now, if I dig deeper, you'll see that we are coming from a supply zone, and generally we are in a downtrend right now. We broke this price channel, and now we just keep dropping. So taking any buy trade here would be suicide. So I'm not going to take any trade on this particular pair. I want to switch to the other pair. I started recording right now. I usually start recording after finding my first trade, but I wanted to have a at least starting, like, I want you to see how bad market looks like. Right after when we start the session and we see bad market, we never should force trades. Right now we have a demand zone. It's not a beautiful demand, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even trust that. And yeah, we have a nice little potential third touch breakout, but again, if I don't have enough confirmations, I would not jump in on a trade. This is a tough day to trade on. All right, let me see if we can find a beautiful trade. All right, this is another third touch breakout. See, this is another third touch breakout, but the market is just pushing up like crazy. Going against that would be kind of not good. I don't know why this is okay. Yeah, let's see if we can find another good trade. See, this is how bad market looks like. There's absolutely no setup to take on. Right now, we touched another good supply, but I don't see any sell setup. If I was seeing any sell setup, I would probably take this, but there's none. You know, I don't like to just start taking the trade. People would think that, oh, there's always an opportunity to make money no matter what. But that's not true. You have to first detect the good market, see if things are moving smoothly, and then you can start your session. This is a beautiful order block. I will definitely take this trade if it gives me the chance. Okay, this is a beautiful entry. I'm not going to lie. I will definitely taking this trade. Wait, this is my zone. There we go. I will explain the setup after taking it. Right now, price is pushing down. We have a nice little support area. Support. It's broken right before the breakout. We have the order block, and also we have fair value gap. Let's see. Market is kind of bullish, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay, I just hope it comes to this zone pretty fast. All right, I'm not gonna lie, I'm taking this one. Terrible entry. Let's go. Another one right here. Yeah, beautiful common point of rejection. Look, this is another one. This one, I mean, this one's better for sure. Yeah, we have this beautiful gap down, and that's not only the case. We have also first, second, third touch breakout. I mean, I would be crazy mad if it just drops like that. I mean, there's no way it ignores multiple common points of rejections. And also third touch breakout, just like that. Let's see. Okay, yeah, at least we won one. This is how bad market looks like. We're break even. Okay, I'm gonna put this in my journal just in case. Boom, we win. And a loss. Same thing. Same trade. So yeah. We've created a very cool page for easy access to the most important videos on this channel. That's the first link in the description. Oh shit, I just missed this third touch breakout, but I wouldn't, let me just be honest, I wouldn't even trust this. I wouldn't trust this. And I'm not gonna say we missed it because I wouldn't take that, even though it was a win. Let's see, I don't see any setup, guys. Any of my setups. Okay. This is a cool candle, man, but I don't trust that. This is a bad market, guys. When it comes to bad markets, there will be no, look at this. There will be no beautiful setups. And in this kind of markets, this is where people blow up their accounts. This is where people, after making like profit for a week, they lose it all in 1 week. Look, this is the same trade that I said. I'm not going to say we missed because I wouldn't take this. Look, they entered this much and then they reject on the last second. See, it would be a losing trade. Yeah. First, it looks like winning, and then it just reverses. This is a bad market, definitely. And yeah, this is just not logical to take full amount trades on this market. Okay, we got a beautiful doji. I'm gonna take this one. Only one trade and 500. And we have a beautiful common point of rejection. This one is much safer if it gives me the chance, which it's not. And also we're in the direction of the market. So if we have only one good trade in this session, it's this one. If this one is also rejected and closed down here, I don't know what to say. This is a session that should be avoided in that case. So I'm going to take double here. I wanted to change it to 1,000, but there would be no time. So I'm pretty sure about this entry. This is a very good trade. And this is also a ranging market. So, I mean, there's no freaking reason for it to drop. Let's see. I'm pretty sure it will reverse back up for sure. At least these two should be winning trades. And we will end this session if we get this win. Even if that's a losing trade, we will still need to end this session because that's just... oh, shit. Did you freaking see that? Oh my god. I'm gonna put this in my... Okay, let me just see. Yeah. 3 wins, 2 losses. I mean, 2 of them were winning trades. Fine. Did you see this crazy jump down? That's crazy. Anyways. I'm gonna put this... 2 wins here. It was 500. Boom. And a loss. Right? Yeah, see, even the rule says that we need to end this session. And I'm going to say end session. And we made a little bit of profit, but that's the kind of session that your win rate will be very low if you keep trading. Okay? And did you follow your rules today? Yeah, I did. For the sake of the video, I just kept taking some trades. Did you learn anything new? If there is no setups and you see a lot of good setups that failed, you should not a single trade. This is the type of market pull below counts. I hope the next session would be a very good market, so you can see how nicely market works when it comes to good markets. I would not say any mistakes because I was knowingly proceeding with the trades as an experiment in a bad market. Add session to the journal. You know, having this session in my journal would always stay in my mind that how a bad market looks like. Okay, it will stick around in my mind. This is how journals work. All right, yeah, kind of. All right, yeah, I'm gonna end this session right here. I hope you enjoyed, man. Thank you for watching, and peace out.